Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a price 500 volt drill machine. I'm purchasing this drill machine specially on concrete wall. So in this video we will see unboxing and review. It's really working in the concrete wall or not. We can see detailed demonstration in this video. So first of all, we can do the unboxing. Which types of product I'm receiving? Exactly, we are receiving such kind of product. So here, as usual, magic booklet, how to use the product. This one is a grip stand, I think so. Box is empty. Now this is our drill machine. It's little strong here, left and right. So here, even the, if you see here, the speed. So now I just simply connect here in the power cable and then see what is the speed of this one. Oh, it's very fast. If you see here, now I reduce the speed. If you want to increase the speed and decrease the speed, so you can fit screw also like this. Inside the box we are receiving this is also, so we can measure properly like this, and then you can drill. So here, how to fix, this is a key and you can very easily open this one and fit here, point here, and then we can very easily drill. So now we can go in the basement and try this is really working in the concrete wall or not. So now I will try to hole here. This is very strong, concrete wall. This is my basement and I use here the concrete bit. I can very easily put it here, the hole, and my main target is this. I want fix this one is here like this. So let's see the hole is working properly or not. So firstly I try here. If I use this one, so there's a huge amount of hole already done. Now I just simply similar kind of same hole in this direction like this. First of all, I will try. Yeah, of course, that much amount of hole is successfully done. And if you have a wall bit, so definitely you can make a hole any of the strong wall. So after successfully use this drill to put it strong concrete clouds hanger, and finally I successfully use. I am happy. Even I put it here also. So guys, this is an unboxing and review video. If you really like this unboxing, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.